Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Amazon Photos, photo and video app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Amazon Photos is a cloud-based storage app designed to help users securely back up, organize, and share photos and videos across all their devices. Originally created to complement Amazon Prime, the app offers unlimited photo storage for Prime members and 5 GB of free video storage for everyone. It's available on both iOS and Android and syncs seamlessly with Fire tablets, Echo Show devices, and web browsers. The app's main feature is its automatic backup system. Once enabled, Amazon Photos uploads pictures and videos from your phone or computer directly to the cloud. It also offers AI-powered search, facial recognition, and album creation, helping users quickly find and group images. You can share albums privately, create family vaults, and even view memories through compatible Echo devices. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its unlimited photo storage for Prime members, simple design, and strong integration with other Amazon services. The app ensures your photos remain safe even if your device is lost or damaged, and the automatic upload feature provides peace of mind for regular photographers and families. However, there are some drawbacks. Non-Prime users get limited free storage, and extra space requires a paid plan. Some users also report occasional upload delays and difficulty managing large video files. Additionally, while it's great for storage, its photo editing and sharing tools are more basic compared to competitors like Google Photos. In summary, the Amazon Photos app may be worth using if you want reliable cloud backup, unlimited photo storage with a Prime membership, and easy access to your memories across Amazon devices. However, if you need advanced editing or sharing features, you might find other apps more versatile. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.